but it is by far the most comprehensive function configured in our factory. Other devices also have functions, but not that full. There may be only one of them, 2 or 3. Like this one is full. Equipment? No. And many functions are the first in the industry? No. What do these keys mean? This key is an emergency stop. After pressing, the entire device is powered off. Then turn right and get up. Power switch. Power on power switch of equipment. What is this? This is the boiler's lack of water. If this boiler is used for half a year, there will be no water inside it. We'll call the police. He knew that the boiler water was not enough. Need to add water to the boiler. These two were used by us for debugging. Can't use it or not. We can't use it after debugging. These two are just switches. Yes, what about this pressure gauge? This pressure gauge is sporadic. This is scattered pressure filter. This filters the chorrillo dust to 0.5. 0.5 normal to 1. After reaching 1, it means there is a lot of dust and chorrillo inside. You need to go through the automatic program. This is powder, it is toner. Toner filter, the pressure of the toner filter is below 1. If it exceeds 1, its filtering effect will deteriorate. At this time, if the oil is still clean, consider not changing the filter element. If the pressure reaches the oil, it will be dirty. At this time, you can consider replacing the filter element. They can replace the filter element. You can consider replacing this parameter indicator. Change only 1. There are 2 inside. There are 2 green cores inside. Change a bunch at the same time. Or change 2 together. Change together. Change a group. Normally these 2 green cores, if we wash our clothes regularly, can wash to 40-100 to 50-100 pieces. 40-100 to 50-100 pieces of 2 green cores. Change the laundry volume lighter. Small amount of laundry. A common laundry shop can be changed once a year. 5,000 pieces of clothes clean. If others often wash coats and furs, we need to change this often. Wash the fur frequently. Otherwise, it would be fine to replace the filter element with a little newer. It will have colored cream when it falls. Yes, a lot of color paste, oxygen. It's easy to absorb the color paste, oxygen and filter element. That means less skin washing. Paishao, try to be what you want. If 1 year is less than 1,000 years, it's fine. Is there any problem with washing suede skin? No problem. Cool down after washing the skin, cool down as long as the suede skin. Suede faded very much. Very awesome. The first is to cool down and the second is to control the time. Shorten the time to wash mud and do a little better. Wash for 1 or 2 minutes and then reduce the residual temperature. Basically, there is no problem about 10 degrees. My 15 kilograms of double solvents are washed every day. The freezing point of this solvent is -30 degrees. As long as it is above -30 degrees Celsius, this oil is liquid. Can't hatch, evenness is fine. Subtitles provided by the Amara.org community.